Hello together. In this video I want to show you how to upgrade your storage on the Motorola Moto G52. First, take a look at the storage. We'll go in our settings, and then when we are in our settings we can go to storage. And you can see here that we have currently used 16 gigabytes from 128 gigabytes, and we can see which part of programs or other things just occupy my storage. So I can see, okay, apps, and which app is how big, and then I can take a look at it and say, okay, this one is too big, or delete it, or I'll do other things. We can also see here documents, games, audio, videos, and so on and so forth. We can also free up space and use a storage manager, but that means that it removes automatically photos and videos which are over 90 days old, so please be aware, perhaps you don't want to turn this on. Okay, now we want to extend our storage from 128 gigabytes and add additionally, in my case, 32 gigabytes, but they're with a microSD card. You can buy microSD cards everywhere, and this is 32 gigabytes. You also have 64 gigabytes up to 1 terabyte. So it's really great to extend your storage. Okay, we must put in this microSD card in the same place where the SIM card is located. It's here. So again, we need our box. And in this box we have our SIM card ejector tool, so it's here. Or we can use again the good old paperclip. And I will use again this paperclip. I have used it also in the SIM card when putting in the SIM card, so I just press it and open it. And here you can see we have two different options. The right one is for SIM card, and on the left side you can either use a second SIM card or a microSD card. And now we want to put in the microSD card, and there's only one way this whole thing fits in. Okay, all we have to do is put it back in this case, and now I press it, and then everything's fine. And we get no additional information that a microSD card has been put in. So we just swipe up and go to the settings, and then when we are in the settings we click again on storage, and now you can see a new button, and this is this device. So this is what we have looked earlier, and the second thing is the SanDisk SD card. And you can see at this moment I don't have anything on my SD card, so 11 megabytes used from 32 gigabytes total. Now I can save my videos, my images, and other things on my SD card, and just don't use my internal device, because this has only 128 gigabytes. Especially it's great for videos, because videos take a lot of space on your device, so you can now save these files on your SanDisk SD card. Yes, that was it, how to extend your storage on the Motorola Moto G52. I hope this video helped you a little bit. If yes, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and we'll see us the next time. Bye bye.